Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact Michael Kors model and battery type, so you buy the correct cell. Many models use CR 2025 or CR 2016. Next, position the watch face down on a soft cloth, remove the strap if it blocks access, and set the crown to its normal position to protect movement. Use a case opener or thin knife to lift a snapback. Make sure to work slowly so you don't slip and scratch the case. Once the back is off, identify any retaining clips or tiny screws holding the battery and remove them carefully. Keep screws organized. Use plastic tweezers to lift the old cell out to avoid shorting or magnetizing components, and note the polarity so you install the new battery the same way. Take a moment to clean the contact area with a lint-free cloth and inspect the gasket. If the seal is flattened or cracked, replace it to preserve water resistance. You place the new battery in with the same polarity orientation, then reattach the retaining clip or screws and confirm the movement starts. If it doesn't move, reseat the cell and recheck contacts. Replace the gasket and close the case back evenly. Use a case press for a tight fit if you have one. Otherwise, press by hand while aligning properly. Once closed, set the time and test all functions. If condensation appears or functions fail, that indicates a sealing or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.